Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a sulfonation reaction and showing the mechanism of it and how we end up getting this product. So the first thing I like to do is I'll break down the NO2 into how it actually would look. So if I go here, adding the electrons, and we know that's going to be positive there. So by looking at this, we're able to tell that it's going to be an electron withdrawing group because we have our electrons out here and we have a positive charge out here, so we're going to need to send electrons out. So that will be an electron withdrawing group, or EWG for short. So that's important to know because that means that the next group is going to be meta. So next group, meta, which this makes sense because if we look at our final product up here, we see that the SO3H is meta because it's not directly here, it's not directly across, it's right here. So to get into mechanism, we'll start with our initial product. Add just a couple hydrogens to help illustrate, make it a little easier. And we'll use our electrophile, which is our SO3. Okay. So we know from here, we're going to send electrons out to here, and we're going to swing it out here, send electrons out to this oxygen because we're getting more electrons here. And so that turns into this. Here, here. So we'll have our hydrogen. It's here. We'll still have our SO3 group, but that's going to be attached now. And now that we added an electron to this oxygen, that's going to be a negative charge on it. And so we're going to use our H2SO4 group. So over here, cross. Awesome. Negative charge here. That's going to go from here and go to this hydrogen. This hydrogen's going to go back down to here. Sorry, this was a positive charge here, not a double bond. And so this is going to come down here and reestablish this double bond that it was missing. And so it goes down to here. NO2. And up here, we have back to our SO3. And we know that this is still going to be a negative charge. And we see our HO, SOH, oxygen, oxygen. And this will go here to this hydrogen. This hydrogen will kick off this O. And so it goes up and it goes and grabs this hydrogen. And then come down here. We have our NO2. And now we just have our SOH groups, which if we look up here, we got SO3H. And our final product is supposed to be SO3H. Additional products that we'll have will be this. H. the negative sign over here. And just to make it a little more clear, so there we are. That was the whole mechanism for it. And that shows that we showed the sulfonation process and how we would obtain the final product. And thank you.